end of August 30th, I think. Wow, always been summer, haven't had a video out in a while. Just want to go over some of the cars working on at the shop. Very, very busy summer. Still got lots of work. So, go over the stuff I have here in the shop. So what we got here is a 69 Plymouth Satellite station wagon. This belongs to a buddy of mine named Colin. He has two wagons, actually three, excuse me. He's got a 70 Satellite wagon, very modified. And he also has a Dodge Aspen station wagon too, a factory 360 wagon, very rare. This one's here for a transmission. I'm gonna rebuild it. Haven't done torque flights in a few years. I got out of the transmission rebuilding business probably about 10 years ago now. But I decided to do this one because it's getting bad. Can't find good shops anymore. So I still have all the tools and everything to do it. This one had a leaky front pump. So I'm gonna pull it out. This is a 318 car, like I said, and it actually has an 8 1/4 rear. So it's the light duty one. Pretty nice though, a lot like my 69 out there. Then over here, we got the Daytona. This one's not mine. This belongs to a customer of mine. It's here for a clutch. I rebuilt this engine probably about 3-4 years ago. Full forged bottom end 2.2. And really good running car, but started pushing through the stock clutch very soon after I built it and put a fresh clutch in it. That's my bike, one of my bikes. Got 3 of them. My S2000 sitting under a cover. There's my Corolla GR. Picked this up probably about 4 months ago. This one's actually getting ready to leave. I've had my fun with it. It's time to move it on to somebody else. Really fun car. I like it much better than I like driving the Focus RS. Let's see what else. Yeah, that van's still there. Still have to finish it for my buddy Jim. There's the Honda Fit. No longer belongs to me, it belongs to my son. He bought it back again from me. Honda Insight. It's my son's. Under this cover here, an 04 GTO. Picked this up probably about a year ago. Under this cover is my 82. Oh, the cover's on it. 82 Dodge Challenger. And over here is the Hemi Challenger. Still have it. Been using it more. Still working out on some suspension stuff, but still have it. This is the one that's rear-wheel drive with the Hemi and the 6-speed. Back there, got the Chevy Malibu still, 2000 Impreza wagon. That might be for sale. In the back, have my Grand Cherokee I've had since like 2008 or so. And over there is a 72 Plymouth Satellite wagon, or excuse me, 72 Plymouth Satellite sedan, ex-Forest Service vehicle. Rubber floor mat, Forest Service green, 8 1/4 rear with 321s and a limited slip sure grip in it. Missing the motor and trans, underhood's all painted, that's ready to go. That's for sale for $700. and it comes with a NOS grill. I have a title in hand, but the NOS grill for it is probably worth $700 on its own. Still have the 442 Calais. This one here, basically, I'm redoing the wing still. It's actually refinished. I got to repaint it, but just started it a couple weeks ago. Still runs good. This is the car that came only manual transmission, and they were high output quad 4s with this one here was a W40, which was a 180 horsepower, and there was a W41, which was 190 horsepower, but this is the 180 horsepower version. A lot of horsepower back in 91 for a 4-cylinder. I got the Dodgy Band, still have that. Haven't even driven it in probably like 4 months, but still have it. The 72 Plymouth Satellite, still have it, isn't going anywhere. I do drive it a little more than I used to, but it's due to be back out again. Uh, 2011 Acura TSX wagon. This one belongs to my son. This is actually going to be up for sale very soon. Very clean. I think it's got 120 or 130,000 miles on it. Really clean vehicle. These are getting really hard to find, but we actually have two. We have that one, and then I have mine right there, which is my daily driver. It's got like 168,000 miles. I love these things. Lots of room, very comfortable. Work great for taking the dogs. Then we got my 69 Plymouth Satellite station wagon. Still runs great. Haven't had it out in a while. Only reason why is because that seat is terrible. That seat is just unbelievably terrible. I do have another seat. Waiting for my upholstery guy to feel better to get it done. Like I said, 383. Power disc brakes now. Got a set of HP manifolds for it to get rid of these damn headers that suck. Don't mind the 440 Magnum tin. That was just on that air cleaner when I threw it on there. Right here, 72 340 CUDA. This here was a day 2 car. Note the side pipes. It's got big shackles in the back. Off the road since 1982. It was originally yellow. Had the factory blackouts on the hood. You can see here where it's rusty. It's actually from the factory blackout paint. Really good car. Pretty rust free. It's all taken apart, but it's definitely day 2. Right there, WRX wagon. That car right there, this roller will be for sale within the next month or two. I'm just pulling the engine out of it to use as a core to build another engine. A customer of mine bought it, but that's going to be up for sale soon. Really clean. It's got the dent in the bottom of the fender there. Other than that, no rust or anything. 5-speed car, but like I said, that'll be up for sale. Don't mind this. This is just parts. This chassis is getting used. It's going to be cut out, and the chassis is actually going to be put underneath a 74 Dodge Colt GT. Much better suspension than what the Colt GT had. TSX wagon again. Okay. This is not mine. This is Dom's ZHP 6-speed. I think it's a 2003 or 4. Okay, here's another one I got. Just picked this one up. This is a 08 release edition, or whatever they called it. Challenger SRT 8. This has 7,000 miles on it. Picked it up from the original owner a couple weeks ago. Really clean. It's like a brand new car still. Not my thing. This one's actually leaving. It's sold. Got even a better car that's coming up after this one. One that is very desirable, very difficult to find, and very rare. Rarer than these are, because these are not that rare. Most people didn't go after these like they went after the later cars, because the Challenger, it went from being what it was then, new, these SRT8 as fast, and they just got better as they went through the years, and power-wise and stuff. So these cars, really, they hold their value because the mileage is low. That's pretty much it. But this one's like new. Again, this one's sold. I have to deliver it to Arizona tomorrow. And picking up another one, got to wait to see what that car is. Here's my cheap Boxster, 5-speed car. It's a 98. Really nice car, runs good. It's got like 140,000 miles on it. Pretty clean, little couple dings here and everything. Had a factory hard top on it well before I got it. That's why the original top is still good shape. But that was from pulling the top on and off. There's some marks there and stuff. Pretty clean. This one here is going to be for sale soon. If you're interested, hit me up. Pretty clean. Runs and drives great. No IMS issues. Was all checked. Clutch, flywheel, all that. This is a double row IMS. A lot less failures. All I did was pulled the sump down to check the sump. I had to reseal it. I had a little leak, slight leak from the sump. Pulled that down, checked. No plastic, no nothing, no metal in there. Oil filter, every oil filter. I've changed it twice now. Checked the oil filter, no debris in it. Really good car. Price to sell. Hit me up if you're interested. So yeah, that's it. Gonna get back to work here. Just thought I'd touch base. Haven't had a video out in a while. Real busy, just super busy. But you know, getting stuff done. Finally, the temperatures broke out here in Southern California. It's been pretty damn hot. But we're pretty much past that, I hope. But I did hear tomorrow and Sunday is supposed to be 103 degrees. So I ain't gonna be working tomorrow. I'm gonna be on the road out to Kingman, Arizona. So I'm gonna be doing a bonsai run out there and back. Be back tomorrow night. So probably put a video out with that too. That's where maybe you can find out what the other car is I picked up. We'll see then. So anyways, gonna get going, get back to the satellite here and get that trans pulled. Got the jack right there. And I'll talk to you guys later.